Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. According to me, the garden is the best place in a house. It is a place where someone can sit for a while and unwind amidst nature and feel refreshed. The oxygen in the air, sunlight flooding the entire stretch of the open space, the sweet fragrance from the flowers and the chirping of birds, everything seems to come together to create a coffine that is magical and therapeutic on the human mind. Nowadays, not too many houses are blessed with a garden, but if one want to live a peaceful life, he must consider getting a garden for his own abode. In my garden, there are various type of plants. Some are flowering plants, some bear fruits and vegetables, while there are some other plants which look simply adorable because of the sheer beauty of their leaves. The flowers that adorn my garden are rose, sunflowers, lily, and etc. The garden looks stunning when the flowers are in full bloom. I have cultivated many vegetables in my garden with the help of my grandfather. Tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger, and green chili are among them. I am trying to make my garden an organic garden so that we don't have to depend upon vegetables bought from the market. And these vegetables that I have grow in have several health benefits besides being fresh and chemical free. There is soft grass all over my garden. The grass is maintained properly, trimmed on a regular basis. This makes the garden an ideal place for different exercise. I like to walk in bare feet in my garden only because of the soft grass cover. Moreover, there is a swing in my garden. I can spend hours swinging on it. I can get bored. I don't bored doing any activity in my garden. And when it is a holiday, I spend my entire day in my garden doing various activities. My grandfather and in the garden of my house, his most favorite place in the house in the garden. Thanks for watching.